Hello, future scientist. How's it going, Mr. Oddgap here? Today, I would like to spend a little bit of time and talk about metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are rocks that is Latin for change. So they undergo heat and pressure, either deep within the ground or touching magma or lava, causes them to change forms into a different type of rock. The process of it doing this is called metamorphism, the act of it changing from one rock into another type of rock. So a noun is the metamorphic rock. The verb, the action of it changing, is called metamorphism. There are two types of metamorphism. One of those is contact. If it comes in contact or touches magma or lava, then it's called contact metamorphism. If it's over a large region or a large area and it gets squeezed from above and below, then that type of metamorphism is called regional metamorphism. What happens when it has those different types of metamorphism? It creates different textures within the rock. It can have a foliated texture, and that means it has layers and bands in the rocks, and that comes from a regional metamorphism. It creates foliated texture. We also have what's called an unfoliated texture. That occurs during contact metamorphism. So if it's squeezed evenly in all directions, creates a texture where it's unfoliated. There are no lines or bands within those rocks. So I know for tomorrow, I have you working on that metamorphic rock lab. It looks very similar to this. Where on that very first key, notice that they have foliated texture, having lines or bands, or we have unfoliated texture that has no lines or bands. And notice that there is different types of textures, a description of what they look like right here. So if you look at a rock, you have to first determine whether it's unfoliated or foliated. You have to then look at its texture to determine what the name of that metamorphic rock is going to be. Here I have a little bit of an artistic rendition of the types of metamorphism and the types of textures that occur. Here is magma beneath the Earth's surface. It creates a contact metamorphism, an unfoliated texture. That means no lines or bands in the rocks. Here on that bottom right-hand corner of this beautiful drawing, we have regional metamorphism. It's been squeezed from the above and below and creates lines or bands in that metamorphic rock, creates a foliated-like texture. All right, good luck with that metamorphic lab. Everybody take care. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later.